I'm teaching a class this semester. It's called Natural History of Stadium Woods. So we meet every week and we practice our observation skills. So we try to really look at things and look at like the shapes of the leaves and the texture of the bark and those types of characteristics that you often don't really see until you slow down and really observe what's around you. And when they walk through the forest, instead of just seeing a wall of green, right, they'll see all of the diversity that's out here.
It's the perfect Monday, like you could ask for. I just get to come into the woods for my Monday. Walk around, just enjoy nature for the day. Today was especially fun because we were just turning over logs looking for salamanders. And of course we got to pick them up, hold them, and they're so cute. It's a nice experience of like, you get to learn about them and you get to hold them, touch them, and I guess see all the things you're learning about them.
So I hope the students will learn a few of the most important species in this area, sure, but mostly I hope they will develop an increased appreciation for the natural world and all of the complexity and all of the little details that make each species unique.